7 reasons why people choose laminate. Hi, I am Brittany, the Director of Operations for Lifestyle Floors. And today I want to discuss with you the 7 reasons why people like to choose laminate flooring. One of the main reasons is going to be the hard surface of that product. Laminate floors is a great product for your pets if you have large dogs or cats. It is a dense product, making it a little bit more durable. Speaking of durability, in most laminates that we offer here in our showroom, we have water-resistant cores that is made with a wax seal, and it's also in the locking mechanism of most laminates that we carry. Now, we do offer other options when it comes to the laminate floorings. Not all of them have to be water resistant, but it is a great feature to have. When it comes to color and style, laminate floors are made to resemble wood flooring. So you get lots of color and styles from hickories to maples, grays and browns. It is a perfect product to coordinate with any decor. As far as costs go, laminate can be the most cost-effective option in your home when it comes to hard surfaces. It is priced just below a wood or an engineered wood flooring, and it is right about in the range of a nice luxury vinyl plank flooring. It is easy to clean. You can sweep or dry mop it, but you will never want to steam mop it. Excessive water can still damage even the water-resistant flooring options. Maintenance is easy to care for. It is great for family flooring. Heavy objects could damage that floor, and furniture pads are necessary if you have any type of furniture with a hard foot or bottom. It is easy to install, and our office does offer install for anyone who comes by. Just to let you know, a great pro tip is that you want to make sure that your floors are leveled and ready to go for your laminate flooring, and also that you need just a little bit of space right underneath your baseboards because this is a floating floor. There's no glue or nails involved with install.